Hi, can I take your order, please?
Yes, can I have a double £1/4 meal, please?
A double £1/4 meal, is that medium or large?
Medium, please, with a Fanta orange.
We don't have Fanta, I'm afraid, sorry.
Coke Zero.
Yeah, anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Next window for me then, please. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Okay, so you caught me. Sneaky Mackey time. Afraid I've been having a bit crap day. My feet are on fire. Been having some treatment on my feet. Had me third treatment about 2 weeks ago. Third of 3, so should be slowly getting better now. But man, my feet have been on fire the last couple of days. So this treatment is virtually the microwave your feet. I've always suffered with verrucas and warts on my feet ever since I was a child. Been going to the National Health Service last 10 years or so. No, never touched it. Just freeze it every couple of months, freeze it, and you can't walk for a couple of days, and never gets any better. Always. So just lately it started getting worse, so I thought I'll bite the bullet and I'll go get it done private. Anyway, this treatment involves a little wand. Yeah, a wand with 5 microwaves about 3 millimeters beneath the surface of your skin. Basically, it cooks your feet. It's a bit like having cigarette burns for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 5 times. Yeah, good, it's good, I tell you. Believe me, it seems to be working. So, no pain, no gain. Well, I've been in virtually constant pain for the last 3 months. I just needed a Mackie. Proper comfort food, just needed a Mackie. I'll go home and have some pills, some paracetamols or something to take the edge off. At least it's not beer. Hey! And see how it goes, shall we? So don't tell anybody you saw me, and we'll keep it just between ourselves, shall we? Anyway, on with the show. You still here? Go on. £114 kilos to start with, so that's a 9.5 kilo loss, £20, 1.5 stone. 26.9% fat, started at 30.9% fat, so that's 4% fat I've lost. BMI of 28, started off at 30.6, so I'm now officially not obese anymore, I'm just overweight. And here are the obligatory before and after photographs. I will admit, on the befores I was totally relaxed. And the afters, I'm not breathing in, I'm just tensing my muscles as hard as I can. Right, so following on from the photographs that you've seen earlier, going to try some clothes. Try my old clothes on. You know those clothes that you have in your wardrobe? I'll wear them. I'll wear them when I get a bit thinner, or I'll wear them when I'm a bit fitter, or when they fit better and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. So start off, old jeans. The elasticated waist, obviously, because I'm a fat person. Elasticated waist, bit of play in there at the moment. I've got a pair of 36-inch waist that are my best jeans that I used to have 5-6 years ago. So I'm going to try those on now, see if they fit. Right, these are my 36-inch waist Wranglers. As you can see, they are snug, but the button does fasten. I tried these on about just before Christmas and they wouldn't come anywhere near. So, result. Another thing as well, belt. I know it's a bit naff, but studded belt. Years ago when I used to be punk or groth, I think I was at the time. So that's finished, first hole. Second hole's a bit of a squeeze. Never mind. Used to be there when I was in my teens. But there you go, never mind. Same sort of thing as well with my Kangols. Tried these on before Christmas. These are actually a bit slack. But these are 36 as well. Just get rid of this here. I can see some from the camera. Yeah, so these aren't too bad either. These seem to be nice colour as well. Start wearing these for the summer. Next is the big test for me, shirts. 3 favourite shirts. So that one was tight. That one was very tight, and this one made my belly hang out. So got a t-shirt on. I don't want to show you my boobies again. You've seen enough of those past couple of weeks. Last time I wore this, me sort of billowed out there, and all this under here, because my belly was far too big. So passable. Better than being out there like it was. I think I've got a photograph. I'll try and put it there. If I can. Too bad. Ben Sherman. Looks like a fail for this one, I'm afraid. Bit of opening there. Just a couple of weeks for this one yet. And my favourite shirt. Just a touch, but it's wearable. Things like that. One of those goals. I've actually got something that I've kept for 4 years. It actually fits again. That's going as well. Superb. So all in all, I think that's a pretty positive outcome for 4-5 months work. 4.5 months work. Not bad, I don't think. Quite pleased with that.